Ha slachel twogwalapu si'ab. Good day to you honorable people. Altis lachel Tuyayus chas altis chor atis oolosh chas. Today we will work on vocabulary for when we canoe. This week's phrase is łusəx chas. Łusəx chas, which means we will dance. Let's go over the words. The first word is łusəx. Łusəx. This means we'll dance. There are two non-English sounds here, the first of which is the barred L. We can produce this sound if we place the tip of our tongue behind our front teeth on the roof of our mouth and blow air out of the sides. The second sound is called the X wedge, and it is a throat clearing sound generated right here. Let's try these in the word łusəx. 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 The next word is chas. Chas. This means we. And there are two non-English characters here. The first is the C wedge, which sounds a lot like the CH in English. Ch. Ch. The second character is the barred L. Let's try these in the word chas. 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 Now, let's try the whole phrase together. Łusəx chas. Łusəx chas. We will dance. Hoya chas. We are finished. Hoy. Until we meet again.